Welcome back to another video. Sohail here, and today I want to teach you a very accurate trading strategy that is run on 1 hour time frame. It's very easy and you just need to pay attention to all the points that I'm going to explain. Just make sure you watch this video until the end so you won't miss any important point. Alright, as I said, this is a 1 hour trading strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 1 hour. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but no limitation on this, and you can use this strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto or stocks. In this trading strategy, we use 3 indicators, 2 CCI and 1 super trend. For adding them to our chart, here we click on indicators and we simply search their name. First, let's add CCI, this one. Commodity Channel Index. We add 2 and we need to change their settings. For the first one, the length should be set at 14, and here in the style tab, we set the CCI color to red. And for the second CCI, here in its settings, in the inputs tab, we set the length at 100. And now we need to integrate these 2 CCIs. Here in the longer CCI, we click on this 3 dots and then move to, and then we click on existing pane above. Again, we click on the 3 dots and then pin to scale, and we click on pin to scale A. Alright, we're done here, and now we must add the last indicator. That is pivot point super trend. This one, pivot point super trend, which is an editor specs indicator, and it's written by someone named Lonesome the Blue. And for this indicator, we must also change its settings. Here for ATR factor, we set it at 15, and for ATR period, we set it at 30. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this 1 hour trading strategy. In this strategy, super trend is a trend guide which helps us with the direction of the market. When it's red, the market is considered to be in a downtrend and we look for short position opportunities, and when it's green, the market is considered to be in an uptrend and we look for long position opportunities. To discover trading opportunities, we use these 2 CCIs. While the super trend is green, we wait for the red CCI to go below -100. Having this situation can show that probably a pullback is forming on the chart, and then we wait until red CCI crosses above the blue CCI and it goes above +100. It's important to wait until the candle is closed and red CCI is fixed above +100. When all these conditions are met, we can enter a long position here at this point when the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. If you're an experienced trader, especially in price action analysis, you can run on the trend until you see signs of serious weakening in the advancing of the price, or you can use trading stop and move your stop loss below each pullback and get the most out of your position. Otherwise, setting it in advance at 1.5 risk to reward ratio would be the safest option for you. Alright, moving on the chart, here again red CCI went below -100 and then after that crossed above the blue CCI and went above +100, so we can enter another long position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is similarly placed below the previous swing low and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Again here another opportunity for opening a long position, so we can enter another trade here at this point, and this trade is also, as you can see, it's a profitable trade. Here in this deep pullback and declining of the price, our strategy didn't give any false bullish signal, and here after going below -100 and then crossing above blue CCI and going above +100, another long position is confirmed, so we can enter another trade here at this point. And as you can see, this trade is also a profitable trade. Moving on the chart, here again another opportunity, which is a confirmed bullish signal, so we can enter another long position here at this point. And as you can see, this trade is also a profitable trade. Moving on the chart, another trading opportunity we got here. After being below -100, it crossed above blue CCI and then it went above +100, so another long position can be opened here at this point, and this trade also ends up in profit. And here we reach to an important point that you must pay attention. Here you can see that after being below -100, at this point red CCI crossed above the blue CCI, but before successfully going above +100, it went went back below blue CCI, again crossed above blue CCI, and here at this point it went above plus 100. When this happens and we have a choppy red CCI on the blue CCI, we don't enter a trade. In all trades that we had until now, it was a single shot crossing above blue CCI and then directly going above plus 100. But when we have this situation, we should not take this trade. After this, here again we have a similar situation before going above plus 100, and we don't take this trade. This situation of having a choppy red CCI on the blue CCI usually happens when the market is flat, and you can clearly see on the price chart that the market is not trending and it's flat here in this area. So our strategy is effectively helping us in non-trending markets. Moving on the chart, here you can see that we have a well-structured signal where red CCI is below minus 100 and then it crossed above the blue CCI and directly went above plus 100. So we can enter a long position here at this point, and this is also a profitable trade as you can see. Moving on the chart, another confirmed trading signal we have here. So another long position can be opened here at this point, and this trade is also a profitable trade as you can see on the price chart. Moving on the chart, we reach to an important point here which you must pay attention when running this strategy in practice. You can see that we have a confirmed signal here. So in practice we would enter a long position at this point with the stop loss placed below the previous swing low, and you can see that this trade is a winning trade. It didn't end up with loss, but after this trade here again we have red CCI below minus 100, then it crossed above blue CCI, and after that you can see that it became choppy again here. So we don't enter any trade here when red CCI goes above plus 100, and if you look at the price chart you can see that the market truly went to a trading range and the price couldn't successfully pass the previous high and it's moving sideways. In this situation you must stop trading. Even when you have a good signal, you shouldn't take it, and you must wait until the price breaks the range and establish its direction. In the previous example, after being in flat market, we took the risk and opened a position, and it was a successful trade. Here also we can take the risk and open a long position here, and the market may advance and we may make profit, but you must pay attention that this is a trend following strategy and it works well when the market is trending. Although this strategy is powerful enough to filter the false signals in flat market, but as I said, this trading strategy is not designed for non-trending market, and the probability of having false signals in this situation is high. So unless you're an aggressive trader and you intend to take higher risk to catch the possible breaks out of the range, I recommend you not to trade in this situation and wait until the direction of the market is established. Alright, until now we learned about long position signals, and for short position signals we have the same but in the opposite direction. When super trend is red, we look for short position opportunities. In this situation, we wait for red CCI to go above plus 100, and then it goes down and cross the blue CCI, and finally it goes down below minus 100. When we have these conditions met, we can enter a short position when the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and the profit similarly at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After this trade, we had another short position opportunities here. At this point, you can see that red CCI went above plus 100, and then it went down and crossed below the blue CCI, and here at this point went below minus 100. So another short position can be opened here at this point, and this trade is also a successful trade as you can see. After this trade, we got another short position opportunity at this point where red CCI was above plus 100, and then it went down and crossed the blue CCI, but here it became a little bit choppy. So to maintain your risk level low, you can avoid opening a short position here when the CCI went below minus 100, because before this it was a little bit choppy here as you can see, but it wasn't severe, and in practice you could open a short position when CCI went below minus 100. In this situation it really depends on the market condition. For example, having higher than average volume for this candle could further confirm that the price is gonna decline. And here we got another trading signal. You can see red CCI was above plus 100, then it crossed down the blue CCI and went down below the minus 100. So another short position could be opened here, and we continue like this. Please pay attention that although this strategy is very powerful with very high win rate, but it doesn't mean it generates 100% guaranteed signals. Losing trades are part of the game, and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for active trading strategies like the one that I explained in this video. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot successfully and profitably run the trading strategy that I explained in this video. Not only for this strategy, but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, you need to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.